Working on calculations on Boyles law, a gas occupies a volume of 300 centimeters cubed at a pressure of 2 atmosphere. What will be the volume at a pressure of 4 atmosphere, assuming the temperature remains constant? Okay, so first of all, we get the parameters out. V1 is 300 centimeters cubed, P1 is 2 atm, V2 is unknown, and P2 is 4 atm. Alright, so Boyles law, remember the formula is P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. So we substitute for the value of P1 V1 and P2 in the equation. So P1 is 2, V1 is 300, P2 is 4, V2 is unknown. So 2 times 300 equals to 4 times V2. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of the unknown, 2 times 300 divided by 4 equal to 4 times V2 all over 4. Dividing them, you can punch a calculator. You have that V2 equals to 150 centimeters cubed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscription button now.